everybody. Today we are doing some worm activities for our nature week. You guys got a little bag that looks like this. It's got a sheet on that says wiggly worms and then gummy worm dissection. It is not a real worm dissection, it's just a gummy worm dissection. And then a little bag with Oreos and worms. You're gonna use the worms later, or the Oreos and the worms later. So we only are gonna take out one worm out of here. So let's see. Let's do, I got actually one right here. So we'll do this one. It's a red and white one. So I'm just gonna put this here. I'll be right back. Here you go, Brett. Where's that? All right, so what you're gonna do, you don't have to write your name on it because we know it's you. If you wanna do this with a sibling or a friend or something like that, you can do that. So what it says is you're gonna take your worm, just a gummy worm. It says draw and color your worm. So I'm just gonna take, just a pencil or a worm, and I'm just gonna kind of trace around it because I just don't want to touch it with my marker because I want to be able to eat it later. Okay? And I'm gonna draw it. So I'm gonna move that, and then I'm gonna kind of just draw he's got 1, 2, 3, 4 colors on there. So I'm just gonna draw it like this. And then I'm just gonna draw, he's kind of got some kind of little lines here for his eyes. And then he's just got little segments. So I'm just gonna kind of do this like that. It doesn't have to be exact. And then I'm just gonna color it in. He's white on 2 spots. So I'm just gonna draw my red over top, just kind of like that. I realized I grabbed a permanent marker, so I don't want to color it in too dark. And there's my worm. So now I'm gonna go to my next spot here, and it says, how long is your worm? So without stretching it, I'm gonna put him right here on the end and put him about right there and just put it to the closest number. So here's like that halfway point. So I'd say it's about 4 inches. So I'm gonna put just a 4 on there, okay? Then it says stretch your worm as far as you can without breaking it. So I'm gonna take it from here and I'm gonna stretch it as far as I can, and I can get it all the way to what? Very end, 7. So I'm gonna put 7. Okay, now I'm gonna count the segments. The segments are the little lines on here, so I'm just gonna count them. So I'm gonna go, I'm not gonna count each line, I'm gonna count the little spots in between. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 segments. So I'm gonna put 21. Now, this part says compare your gummy worm to a real worm. So we tried to find some worms outside and we couldn't. So you can put it on me. We couldn't find any worms outside. I don't know why, because it just rained last night. So I'm gonna wait till I get home today, and I'm gonna find some real worms. I know I have some in my yard, but you can easily just go outside and ask a parent. Obviously, dig in the dirt a little bit, and you should be able to find a worm really easily. For this next part, so they want to know what is the same with a real worm and a gummy worm. So you're gonna figure out, what do you think? See, it's the same. Are real worms white and red? Probably not. Do they have segments? Do they have eyes? Do they have legs? I mean, what's the same? And then what's different about them? So that'll be something you can write there. And then this is the part where you write the color. So my colors are, I'm gonna put white. My marker is kind of funny, so white, and then I have red. And on this side, I have white. Oops, this marker is horrible for writing. And red. So what you'll do then is you'll just break off the white part. I want to taste it. The white for me tastes like pineapple. So I would write pineapple. It's really good. Okay, and the red I don't know what that tastes like. Strawberry? Yeah, I'd say strawberry. So I'm gonna write I'm gonna run out of room because of this horrible marker. Okay, and then you'll do the same things with those. So that is it. Woo! Lost my lid. For the worm dissection, and then you can just eat the rest of it. And then we're gonna talk more about worms in the next segment when I get back to my house, when I find some real worms, and then we're gonna do worm wars. So come back for that. We'll see you in a bit.